Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be converting this crate into these beautiful storage boxes, or however you use to choose it. You can use these crates as a planter, you can use them as to store your liquor bottles like this one, or also you can use it as a side table garden with some books inside it. So you can use these crates as you wish. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. So the first thing we need is a crate. I got it from a vegetable shop. We get delicate fruits in these kind of crates, so you can get it from any vegetable shops nearby. So the quality of the wood is very bad. So the first thing you need to do is to paint it from the paint. I'm using this Asian paint white color. You can also use primer to make it even stronger. Now let's make our first crate with decoupage. To make it we need basic things like we need a color. I'm using this itsy bitsy chalk color. Then I'll be using one of these glue. I'll be using this napkin paper and a brush. And if you have some places left with colors, you can always fill it with acrylic color white like this. Now start painting your crate with chalk color. Chalk color will give you beautiful finish. You can try it if you haven't used it yet, but it will give you beautiful, amazing, non-shiny, chalky finish. Once our color is finished, we will be taking this napkin paper and take a measurement and cut it. Now napkin paper has 3 layers, so slowly and very carefully take out the layers. Now we'll start applying the glue. I'm using this itsy bitsy decoupage glue. This is glossy, or if you don't have decoupage glue, you can simply make it by yourself by adding 200 gram of glue and 100 gram of water. That means you have to mix glue and water. In glue you can use any Fevicol glue. That will also give the same effect. So here I'm using this transparent sheet to stick a napkin paper even better, and at the end I'm applying glue all over the napkin and it will look like this. This is completed. Now this part was looking little empty, so I thought to paste one more leaf here like this. I will be using quite a lot of stamp in this project. If you don't have stamps, you can simply leave it. You don't have to specifically buy stamps for these projects, but if you have it, it will look amazing. It will give beautiful look. Now start writing your quotes. I'm using this drawing brush, and if you don't have this, you can simply use acrylic color black by using 0 number brush. Now for the white splashes, I'm using Posco marker white. Repeat the same method for the sides of the crate. Now once our crate is done, I'm using this spray varnish this time, and I'm spraying it all over, and I'm going to leave it for 5-10 minutes and our crate is done. Now start placing your plants in the crate. This is looking amazing. Follow your dreams, they know the way. I love it the way it is looking. You can keep it in your garden, but make sure that you don't put much water in this. Moving on to the second DIY, which is again with a little bit of decoupage. This is not a very tough decoupage. You just have to paste the napkin inside the crate, and outside I'm using these 3 colors, and I'm going to mix it these colors, and I'm going to make it something like this. Make sure you add a lot of water in the color, because the consistency of the color should be very thin like this, if you can see. And it will be very easy for you to spread the color evenly. For a vintage look, I am using a little bit of black all over the crate. So once our crate is done from outside, now we'll start sticking the napkin from inside. Follow the same method by cutting the napkin paper and then start taking out its layers. Now start applying the glue all over the crate, and then start sticking your napkin very gently, because at this point, if you stick your napkin, it will not come up. Very slowly keep your napkin on the crate and then start sticking it with the help of brush, or you can even use that transparent sheet if you're not confident enough to stick it with the brush. Anyone can follow this technique because this is very simple. You don't need any extra material, any extra art tools for this. You just have to paint it from outside and stick any paper. You actually don't require any napkin paper as well. You can simply take any gift paper and stick it inside, or in fact you can stick it outside as well. So it will look nice. It doesn't matter what material you have or what you don't have. It's just that if you have this crate lying down at your place, you can simply reuse it and make some beautiful storage at your home. See here, varnish is totally optional, but if you use it, it will last your piece forever. Now once our varnish and everything is done, our crate is ready. Now you can keep it on your garden like this. I've kept it on my garden with some books and some plants to decorate. Or if you don't have any garden, you can simply keep it on your balcony. You can simply keep it in the corner of your house like this. You can also, if you have like a little lamp like this I have, you can keep a lamp also inside this. You can keep books inside this. Like, possibilities are actually endless. You can use it as you wish. Moving on to our third and last DIY crate, which is the most simple crate, because in this you just have to do some coloring. Now to make one specific color, I will be using pink, white, blue and little bit of black to make a color like this, if you can see, and the consistency of the color is thin. And to give it a vintage look, I am using little bit of black acrylic color and I am spreading it all over the crate, especially on the edges. Now start writing the code with the help of this drawing pen. So this part is totally optional, but I was planning to use it for my liquor bottles, so I thought to write something related to that. But if you are a student, you can always write some motivational quotes and keep your books in that. Start rubbing the extra pencil mark. Now I'm finishing it with some shades of black at the edges, and I'm using this sandpaper to make our crate look raw. And at the end I'm using varnish to make it even more stronger and make it even more longer. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel and do let me know in the comment section how do you like this video. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.